To these software developers in the room, you are not getting replaced by AI, but where you spend your time and energy will drastically change. Figuring out how to build and shape evaluations for these AI-created systems. Figuring out how to build the next generation of continuous integration systems in a world where anyone can contribute. Figuring out how to create the next generation testing frameworks that maintain some stability. The humans that build the rails that AI runs on, that is where your craft is going. To the managers in the room, you are about to be tested on your ability to delegate. Now, AI agents, they are going to expand the capabilities and capacity of your team. In some cases, drastically. And in your case, as a manager, they will pressure test your ability to understand the technology, truly understand your processes to be able to delegate to both humans and agents. Your ability to do this will largely define how well you can lead in this environment.